that a little sprinkle. It's like briny, a little smoky. Cheese is very nice, has a little tang. Hey everyone, it's Amanda. I am going to be making burnt broccoli farro with smashed olives. And I've got a bunch of farro here, a generous cup, generously salted boiling water over here. And I'm gonna add the farro and cook it for about 30 minutes until it's tender. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get everything else ready with you. The first thing we're gonna do is squeeze some lime. Please be a quarter cup, because I don't feel like measuring more. Okay, hopefully have a quarter cup. Please, please, please. No! Okay, well, we're gonna get some more limes and I will be back. All right, I'm giving my farro a little quick stir every now and then. I discovered that I don't have any more limes, so I'm using a lemon instead. So hopefully we are going to hit the quarter cup mark with this. Yeah, we are. Okay, so now I had a medium onion, so I just sliced like 2/3 of it very thinly. And then I'm going to add the lime juice / lime lemon juice. And I'm going to add a ½ teaspoon of salt. Now, the onions are not going to be submerged, so you just want to toss them in the salt and juices. And this is going to mellow them out and soften them a little bit. Kind of work the salt in. I like to use my hands. And then actually we're going to head over to the stove because we are going to cook the broccoli. Before I go to the stove, it's time for beer mission. And today we have Grimm Cross Stitch Lager, which, so I order my beer on Drizzly, which is a great app. You get beer or wine or liquor and they pick it up at small stores and little mom and pop shops, and it's great because the selection is awesome, except that almost always you get a call that says, we are out of what you just ordered, do you want something else? And in this case, I ended up with this really great Grimm lager. So check out Drizzly if you don't know it already. I think it's in cities now. I'm not sure if it's national yet. But anyway, cheers. I've got a big enameled cast iron pan heating. We're gonna burn the broccoli, which seems kind of fun. All right, so first things first, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. All right. We're gonna need some more olive oil later for the dressing. Let's give this a little, just a little, there we go. Okay, so you want the base covered with oil. So I'm going to add the broccoli. It's about 4 cups of florets, which are cut into bite-sized pieces. Oh yeah. Half of the olive, this is castelvetrano. Is that how you say it? Yeah. Castelvetrano olives, smashed with the pits removed. And then we're gonna add some salt and some red pepper flakes, untouched for 3 minutes, and then we're gonna turn them over and cook until the broccoli is browned and the other side is fork tender and the olives have blistered in spots. This is a recipe from Yasmin Farr, who's been a contributor to Food 52. Her recipes are always great, so I'm really excited to try this one. Okay, the farro is simmering away. It's kind of boiling, but I'm just gonna cook it until it's tender. Meanwhile, my broccoli is starting to get really nice, and I'm gonna give it, I'm gonna turn it over. Ooh yeah, it's like freckled with brown spots, which is great, and so are the olives. Okay, so this is what you want. You see that guy right there? That is the level of doneness that you're looking for. You want to sort of have this balance of like, the broccoli is just cooked through, but it's also nicely browned. Okay, I'm gonna keep moving these so that it's more evenly browned, but this is almost done. I'm gonna give this 1 more minute. Now I'm just gonna set it aside until we're done. I mean, until the farro's done. All right, so I'm gonna take it off the heat. And I'm gonna check out my farro. Let's see how that's doing. It's starting to like sort of split open, which is usually a sign that it's maybe a little more time. So while the farro is finishing, there's actually another step that we can do. It says to take 2 tablespoons of the onion juices, which is interesting. So I've got 2 tablespoons of onion juice, 1 tablespoon of tahini. All right, so we got the tahini. I feel like my broccoli might be burning, so I'm just gonna give it a toss. All right, okay, it's hanging in there. Okay, So we've got, woo, hopefully enough olive oil to get by. No, that's 2. Woo, okay, 3 tablespoons of olive oil. I've got a little whisk here. You give that a, I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. You see? I'm whisking the dressing. I'm going to add a little salt. Okay, till that's nice and emulsified. And then we're going to pour this over the farro when the farro comes out of the pot. Actually, it's going to come out of the pot and go back in the pot, and then I'm going to add the dressing. So easy. Okay, we're going to turn this off, drain this. Whew. So I just drained the farro and I'm adding it right back. And I'm going to add my dressing. Ooh, yeah. So I am mixing that in. It looks a little soupy, but it's fine. Oh, this is fun. Okay, I'm gonna get a serving platter and then we're gonna put it all together. I'm actually gonna go over to the other place to do it. Alrighty, we are in the home stretch. And now all we have to do is plate it up. I think this would be lovely for a dinner party. I might add some more farro next time, but we'll see. Okay, so you wanna spread the farro out on a platter. We're gonna scatter the broccoli on top, broccoli and olives. Ooh, nice. Okay, so I'm going to spread the broccoli and olives around. I'm not going to use all of the onions because I just think it's going to be too much, but I'm going to save the rest because they're going to be delicious and I can use them on sandwiches and other salads and such. I'm going to now add the rest of the olives. Yum. Okay, and then some feta. Just give that a little sprinkle. Oh my gosh, this looks so good. This is my kind of salad. Can you see that? Ooh, pretty, right? Yum. Hope you'll give this a try. And thanks for joining.